Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the second question of Wipro training day 4 using Java. And here question is, write a function to find whether the given input number is odd. Here we have to write a function that will find the given input number is odd or not. And here also given that if the given number is odd, the function should return 2, else it should return 1. And here one note has given, the number passed to the function can either be negative, positive or 0, and 0 should not be treated as odd. So, we will write the program for this question on Visual Studio Code, or you can choose any other IDE as well. So, before I start, please subscribe our channel to get all the questions and solutions of Wipro training. So, now let us open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl N for new tab. Now, at first we will write the program, after that we will see how it works. So, initially we have to import some Java packages. Let us say import java.io.star, and another package is import java.util.star, and here we will write the class name, class user main code 2, and let us save by pressing Ctrl S. Here our program name should be our class name, and here our class name is user main code 2. So, here we have to write user main code 2.java, and here we will select .java extension and let us save. After that we will write the function, let us say public static int is odd, and here we will pass one formal argument, let us say int input 1. Now, we will write the condition for odd number. So, if input 1 modulus 2 is not equal to 0, what we will return? We will return 2, because in question given that if the number is odd, our function should return 2, and else we will return 1. Now, from here we will write the main function. So, public static void main string args, and here we will define some variable, let us say number, num for number, and another is result. After that we will define the scanner class and create an object scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Here system dot in represents the keyboard, and after that we will write the message to user to enter the number. So, system dot out dot println, write the message, enter the number. After that we will take the number from keyboard. So, num equal to sc dot next int. Now, it is time to call the function. So, result equal to, we will store the value in result. So, result equal to is odd, because here our function name is odd. So, here we have to write is odd, and we have to pass the actual argument, that is number. After that we will print the value. So, system dot out dot println and here we will write the result variable. Now press Ctrl S to save our program, and now go into the folder where we have saved our program. So I have saved my program in Java programming. So here we have to write cd Java programming. Before this, we have to go into the drive. It is present in E drive. So we have to go into the E drive. After that, here we have to write Java programming and press enter. Now to run this, we have to write the command, that is Java C, and here our class name is user main code 2. So here we have to write user main code 2 dot Java, and now Java user main code 2. Now here enter the number. So let's give the number 7, and we know that the 7 is an odd number. So our function should return 2. So let's check. Press enter, and here we can see that it returns 2. And let's run for the another input, and this time we will give the event number, let's say 12, and here it should return 1. So let's check, and here we can see that it returns 1. So our program is right. Now we will see how it works. At first we have defined the function, that is odd, and we have passed the one formal argument as an input, that is input 1, and here we have written the condition for odd number. If input 1 modulus 2 it is not equal to 0, and we know that the odd number is the number which is not divisible by 2. So let's take one example, let's say 7, and we know that the 7 is not divisible by 2. Here we can see that it gives the 1 as remainder. So our function will return 2, and here we have seen that it has written 2. So it's correct. So please do like and share this video and subscribe our channel to get all the questions and solutions of Wipro training. Thanks for watching.